Welcome to Best Buy Report. The best wooden cars is probably one of the most enjoyable crafts you can do. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of wooden cars to paint. These little vehicles offer a fantastic opportunity for creative expression, whether you're a kid or just a kid at heart. From choosing the perfect set to selecting your paints and brushes, we'll cover everything you need to know to get started on your own painting adventure. Number 5. Made by Me Wooden Cars by Horizon Group USA. Unleash your inner artist and engineer. This kit lets you build 3 awesome wooden race cars. It's a fun way to create and play. The kit includes pre-cut wooden pieces and everything you need. You can easily assemble the cars and make them your own. Get creative with 12 paint colors and cool stickers. You can design unique cars that stand out from the crowd. Let your imagination run wild. Everything is included in the kit, so you don't need any extra tools. It's designed to be easy and fun for everyone. This is a great gift for creative kids. It's perfect for birthday parties or fun get-togethers. They will love it. The kit comes with wooden pieces, sandpaper, stickers, paints, and brushes. It's all you need to get started. It's a complete package. What we like. This kit is super easy to assemble, which means less waiting and more creating. It comes with vibrant paints and stickers, allowing for unique designs. If you are looking for a fun and engaging activity for a group, this is a great choice. It's perfect for birthday parties or sleepovers, allowing everyone to unleash their creativity. What people say. Great kit. My 6-year-old grandson wanted to start on them right away, even though he had other birthday presents to choose from. Especially think it's a great idea that detailed decoration is done with stickers so that kids too young for intricate painting can enjoy some painting and still end up with great-looking vehicles. The wood pieces come carefully cut and sanded. Number 4. Kraftic Woodworking Kit, Tow Truck, Birdhouse and Dump Truck. Introducing the Kraftic Woodworking Kit. This amazing set is designed for both kids and adults. It's a fantastic way to introduce children to the world of woodworking. The kit includes 3 exciting projects, a tow truck, a birdhouse, and a dump truck. Each project comes with its own set of real wood pieces and clear instructions, making it easy to build. This isn't just a toy, it's the real deal. It comes with real wood pieces, screws, and a screwdriver. Kids will love using the tools to build their projects, just like grown-ups. Each project comes in a separate bag with all the necessary pieces. The easy-to-follow instruction manual guides you step by step. They can build completely on their own. The average size of each completed project is approximately 9 by 5 by 5 inches. It makes a great gift and is the perfect family project. Get ready for hours of fun and creativity. The kit also includes paint and paintbrushes, so you can make your creations colorful. Once they're done building, they can personalize their projects with paint. What we like. This kit uses real wood and tools, providing a genuine woodworking experience. It's a great way to introduce kids to carpentry in a safe and educational manner. If you want a project that involves more than just painting, and teaches basic construction skills, this is the perfect choice. It's ideal for those who enjoy hands-on building. What people say. Nice wood and hardware. The directions are simple exploded parts diagrams. They even throw in a set of paints and small screwdriver. Number 3. Melissa and Doug Wooden Vehicle Craft Kits. Introducing the Melissa and Doug Decorate Your Own Wooden Craft Kits. This set includes 3 exciting vehicle kits, a plane, a train, and a race car. It's a fantastic way to spark creativity. Each kit comes with everything needed to get started. You'll find paints, a brush, and stickers inside. It's designed for easy and enjoyable crafting. Attach the axles and wheels to bring these vehicles to life. Once assembled, they become working toys ready for imaginative play. Use the included paints and stickers to personalize each vehicle. Let your child's imagination run wild as they design their own unique creations. This craft kit makes a wonderful gift for children aged 4 to 8. It provides hands-on, screen-free fun, encouraging creativity and fine motor skills. What we like. This set includes multiple vehicle kits, offering a variety of options for creative play. Each kit is all-inclusive with paints, brushes, and stickers. If you like having a complete set with everything you need, and want to create working vehicles, this is a great option. It's perfect for kids who love cars, planes, and trains. What people say. Each vehicle in the pack of 3 is a self-contained unit with everything you'll need: glue, paint, brush, stickers. The vehicles were easy to assemble, and the stickers were a nice addition to the paint because the younger children who weren't as good at the painting could just put stickers on and have a pretty good looking result. As a bonus, since each kit comes packed in its own wooden tray, it was easy to send each kit home with leftover paint stickers and their toy, even though the paint wasn't dry yet. Number 2. JOYIN Kids Wooden Race Car Craft Kit. This amazing kit lets kids build and paint their own race cars. It's a fantastic way to spark creativity and provide hours of fun. Inside, you'll find everything needed to create 3 wooden vehicles: a race car, a motorcycle, and a monster truck. The kit includes paints, brushes, stickers, and easy-to-follow instructions. The kit is designed to be easy to use and carry around. It's a great educational toy that helps develop hand-eye coordination, creativity, and problem-solving skills. With its bright colors and attractive stickers, this kit makes a great gift for any creative child. It's also perfect for group activities at parties and sleepovers. The craft kits are made with durable, non-toxic materials, and they conform to US toy safety standards. You can rest assured that it's safe for your children. We care about customer satisfaction. If the product doesn't meet your expectations, please contact us. We are here to ensure every moment brings you joy. What we like. This kit offers multiple vehicle options, including a race car, motorcycle, and monster truck. It's designed to be easy and fun, making it perfect for kids. If you are looking for a kit with a variety of vehicles and high-quality materials, this is the one for you. It's ideal for those who want a comprehensive and enjoyable crafting experience. What people say. They had a great time assembling the race car, truck, and motorcycle. Directions were clear, all the parts were provided, and they could follow the instructions or add their own flourishes. I really appreciated the individual directions for each model and the parts pictured and numbered. The best part was the areas that needed glue were marked. Excellent piece of kit and ideal for kids just learning how to follow instructions for themselves. Number 1. DIY Wooden Car Toys for Students and Family. Get ready for fun with these unfinished wooden cars. You'll receive a set of 12 rolling cart models, perfect for sparking imagination and creativity. Made from quality wood, this product is safe and durable. It's strong, waterproof, and designed to withstand plenty of play, ensuring it will last for a long time. Let your creativity shine. Paint, draw, and decorate these cars to your heart's content. It's a fantastic way to stimulate creativity and develop fine motor skills. Whether you're a student, a teacher, or a parent, this set is perfect for everyone. Gather together to create your own unique cars and enjoy quality time together. We created these wooden cars to bring joy and promote learning. It's a wonderful way to explore art and crafts while having fun with family and friends. What we like. This set provides unfinished wooden cars, allowing for maximum customization. It stimulates creativity and fine motor skills. If you like a simple, versatile base for your artistic expression, this is a great choice. It's perfect for students, families, or anyone who enjoys a blank canvas for their imagination. What people say. The cars are well made and sturdy. They are the perfect size for little hands to grasp and paint. The wood is smooth and takes paint well. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.